Ladies and gentlemen, we are back with some Pyro Demon fireworks. The King Cobra. He looks mad. I think he's looking for G.I. Joe. Anyways, we have a 500 gram, 24 shot coming at you today. Here is the pick that China says was supposed to look like. Looks like we got some blue in that. Performance. 24 big breaks of gold willow brocade crown to blue. Approximately 55 seconds. It says it's got a tail, and it's 9 out of 10 noise. Take a peek underneath. And we got ourselves some nice looking size tubes. Packed very well. Those spacers are definitely holding in there nicely. Again, this is Pyro Demon Fireworks out of Bada Boom Fireworks in Blakesley, PA. 500 gram, 24 shot, the King Cobra. You know what to do. It's your boy Rob. I'll see you in the comments down below. Thumbs up, thumbs down. See you in a few seconds. That was a nice blue tip. You definitely see it through the camera.